evening, good evening. Can you please confirm audio and video both are clear? Audio and video both are clear. Okay. Both are clear. Can I start the cinema? Yes. So any new member is there in this session? Sir, today is my first session, like anyone there? Today is my first session, like anyone there? Yes. Anyone? Today is my first class, like anyone there? Yes. Vinod, Shubham, Akash. Okay. Like sir, how many classes completed already? Just there are 2 sessions completed. There are 2 sessions completed. Okay. So this is the first session video and second session video. I will share 1 minute. This is the session 1. Session 2 in the YouTube we uploaded. So the people who missed the session, okay, just whenever you have the time, yes, just refer these videos. Sorry. Yes, are you seeing anywhere Python demo session 2? Python session 2. Yes. This is the video related to the session 2. Okay. Better to go through these 2 videos. Okay. The people who missed the last sessions, please go through these videos. Okay. The people who missed the last 2 sessions, please go through these videos. Okay. So we didn't cover much. I didn't discuss anything in the last sessions. You are not required to worry at all. Okay. Like let me talk few minutes about the previous things and then happily we can talk about remaining. Sir, here just very simple. I covered sir, Python is the very easy programming language. Python itself is a very easy programming language. You can learn Python very easily, friends. Sir, here just 1 minute. Yeah, in the last 2 sessions, whatever we covered, just let me review few minutes, right? Okay. So what is Python? Okay, Python is the general purpose high level programming language. Who is the father of Python? Who introduced Python? Guido, okay, Van Rossum. Okay, this person, Guido Van Rossum, this person developed Python in 1989. Oldest programming language, believable programming language. Don't worry, sir. The Python, some people are going to feel it is the new programming language. It is the new programming language. Like no, it is not a new, old one. Even it is older than Java also. Please take a bit special care. Next and after that, is this Python object oriented or is it procedure oriented? Like some people may have the doubt. Anyone, can you please tell what is the answer for that? Is it object oriented programming language or is it procedure oriented or it is scripting language? Can you please confirm? Yeah, friends, can you please confirm which type of programming language Python? Hey, don't be silent. Which type of programming language Python? Is it object oriented or is it object oriented or is it procedure oriented? Like you have to tell, sir, it is a simple word, all rounder. Okay, you have to use what is the word, sir? All rounder. Sir, it is as object oriented programming language we can use, as procedure programming language we can use, as scripting language we can use. There is no problem at all. Remember carefully about this terminology, right? Sir, next, where we can use Python? Okay, almost everywhere, sir. If you want, you can develop desktop application, web applications, database programming, network programming, games development. So especially data science, machine learning, testing area, automation testing, like everywhere happily we can use this Python. Okay, there are multiple application areas are there for the Python. Sir, can you please tell the top companies which are already using Python? Wow, n number of companies are there, like Facebook, Google, okay, like NASA. All these companies happily using already Python. Remember carefully, right? Now the next cinema what we have to talk, sir, this one is a very important terminology. Please take a bit special care about this one, sir. If any person who is coming from Java background, Java background, or C background, or C++, are you, what's about your Python specialty? Okay, like they may ask, sir, here I want to explain the features of Python. Remember a bit very carefully, sir. Anyone, can you please tell? In the last session, just I list out the features. Anyway, we are going to discuss in detail. What the first one? Anyone remembered? Simple and easy to learn. Simple and easy to learn like this, right? Second one, it is the freeware. And open source. It's a freeware and open source. Like it is a freeware and open source. What it means, I will explain. Don't worry, sir. Next, it is a high level programming language. It is high level programming language. It is a high level programming language. Sir, next, it is a platform independent. It is a platform independent programming language. Next, it is a portable. It is a portable. Okay, like next, it is a dynamically typed. It is a dynamically typed programming language. Remember carefully, right? It is a dynamically typed. Next, both procedure oriented and object oriented programming language. Both procedure. Okay, procedure oriented, just like C language. Procedure oriented. Next, and object oriented. Object oriented programming language. Okay, like it is the procedure oriented and object oriented programming language. Next, it is interpreted. It is interpreted programming language. Next, it is extensible. Okay, remember this a bit very carefully, sir. It is extensible. Next, it is embedded, like it is the embedded programming language. Next, it is sir, it has extensive library is there. Okay, like sir, these are various important features. Okay, you people should aware. Sir, can you please explain the features of Python? Immediately, happily you can tell these things, right? But here one small thing you people should aware. Sir, can you please spell out which are very specific to Python when compared with the other? Like I can use one word. Okay, especially this one. Remember this, the most valuable, dynamically typed. Next, it is all rounder. Next one, I can use the word, it has more extensive library. These things are unique for the Python when compared with the other programming languages like Java or C language, like this, right? But anyway, I will explain these things in detail so that you people can feel more comfortable, right? Friends, are you in the position to understand up to this? Can I start the cinema? Means, can I explain one by one these things? Respond. If you are not going to respond, then how I can continue? Don't be silent. Okay? 1 minute, friends. 1 minute. It seems there is some problem in my chat window, it seems. Yeah, excellent. That's the problem. Yeah, okay. Sainath, of course, nothing is there to explain PVM architecture. Still, if you people are required, I will explain very briefly. Don't worry. Okay. Next, sir, just one small clarity I want to provide for you people. So especially for the new members, sir, I don't know any programming background. Can I learn Python or not? Sir, I don't know anything about programming. Sir, I'm non-computer science background. Can I learn Python or not? To learn Python, nothing is required. Okay, remember this one, sir. Sheikh Rafi. To learn Python, nothing is required. Okay, just you should aware how to read English statements. That thing is more enough. Okay, like now here let me talk about what is the meaning of simple and easy to learn. Okay, now have a look once about this terminology, right? Simple and easy to learn. Okay, take a bit special care. Sir, Python is a simple programming language. Okay, whenever we are reading Python program, we can feel like reading English statements. Remember carefully, right? Whenever we are reading English, whenever we are reading Python program, definitely you people are going to feel that just we are reading English statements. Like so in the last videos I covered very clearly, friends. Have you remember? Okay, here just observe that carefully about this terminology, right? Okay, sir, my requirement is, suppose L is equal to okay, something like something like Sachin. Okay, Sachin, next and after the Dhoni, Sachin, Dhoni, something Sachin, Dhoni, Dhoni. Okay, like it is there, sir. If Dhoni in list in L or otherwise, assume that it is the team. If Dhoni in team, okay, sir, print maximum chance to win, okay, like I'm trying to take, sir. Else maximum chance to lose. Okay, maximum chance not to win, or otherwise maximum chance to lose, or something like I'm trying to take, sir. Okay, like sir, here maximum chance to last. Okay, now take a bit very special care about this terminology. Are you feeling any difficulty to understand these words? Can you please confirm? Especially the people who are coming from non-programming background. Okay, anyone, can you please, are you feeling any difficulty to understand? Nothing. What there inside? Array, it is something like a list. Oh, there are two members are there, Sachin and Dhoni is there. Now I'm talking, if Dhoni in team, sir, maximum chance to win, otherwise print maximum chance to lose. Okay, like it is something like English statements. That is the beauty of Python. Remember this one, sir. If you consider Java programming language. Okay, sir, if I consider class test, wow, there is a bigger headache, curly braces. Next there is another headache, semicolon. Have you observed? Another headache, semicolon, curly braces. Such a type of nonsense is not there in Python. Beauty. Okay, so observe that concise code, easy understandable code. Okay, like, sir, really, is it executable code or not? Yes, some people may have the doubt. Array, believe me, it is the executable code only. Sir, here 1 minute, friends. Here just it is executable code only. Okay, now here just py test.py I'm trying to take, sir. Yes, maximum chance to win, because Dhoni is there in the team. Maximum chance to win. This is the output by default you are going to get. That is what you people should aware. Any doubt? Can you please confirm? Respond. Is it like something like is it reading English statements or not? Yes, not only here, boss. Throughout Python, sir, throughout Python, any program if you are going to consider, you never going to feel that, oh, some difficult, unable to understand the syntax. Layman also can read the Python code. Layman also max he can able to understand. He can understand, nothing will be there, sir. That is the beauty here, what you people should aware. Okay, so what is the meaning of simple and easy to learn? So it is sir, like English statements. That's why I told at the beginning. So if you don't know, if you know how to read English statements, then Python is enough. Then Python you can learn. No previous programming knowledge is required. Okay, like sir, what about syntax? What is the syntax? What is about curly braces? What is about curly braces? Why this colon came? What is the meaning of this square bracket? All these things we are going to discuss in detail. You are not required to worry. Just have basic idea. That's about my intention, right? Okay? Any doubt? So can I use the word? Can I? Here, is it easy or not? Yeah. Next, one more thing, sir. Suppose if I consider English language. Okay, English language, right? In the English language, apple, is it a word or not? Can you please confirm? In the English, is it a word or not? Apple is a word which is going to represent one type of fruit. Okay, sleep, is it a word or not? Yes, it is a word which is going to represent one type of action. Sleeping, action like. So in any language, whether it is a general speaking language, whether it is the general speaking programming language or any other. So do you know computer language or general language? There are some words reserved, okay, reserved to represent some meaning or functionality. Such a type of words are by default considered, yeah, reserved words. Okay, reserved words. Sir, in English, how many reserved words are there? Anyone? Satish, yes, it is the regular session only. Of course, it is the demo session. Don't worry, happily you can continue. General doubts I will clarify at last. Please have a look once. Yeah, in English, how many reserved words are there? Anyone, can you please tell? Wow, there are thousands, not thousand word may not, lakhs. If you consider Oxford dictionary, wow, almost 10 kg, 20 kg dictionary will be there. Okay, like a big dictionary. Okay, like because remembering, learning these many words, it's very difficult. It's very difficult. That's why learning English language is very difficult, I'm sure. Okay, even we are using, but we know some words. But sir, tomorrow if any expert is coming, what is the meaning of these words? Sometimes we may not aware what the meaning of these words. We have to open the Google and we have to check, or in the dictionary we require to check that. Yes, like. But if you go for Java programming language, in Java also, some words are reserved. How many reserved words are there in Java? 53 reserved words are there. How many are there, sir? Can you please spell out? How many are there? 53 reserved words are there. Reserved words are there, sir. Okay, like 53 reserved words are there. Okay, like. So, you should aware 53. You should aware each and every reserved word. What is the meaning of that word? What is the functionality of that word? Then only you can write the code properly. But if you consider Python, the Python has only 30 plus reserved words. Okay, only 30 plus reserved words. Strictly speaking, 35 is there. Have you observed? Reversed. 35 is there, sir. 33 officially plus 2 newly added, async and await, like 2 new keywords came. That's why total 35 keywords are there in Python. Learning lakhs of words, learning 53 words, learning 35 words, which is the very easy, sir. Can you please confirm? Learning 35 is the very easy. Array, if you spend 2 days or 3 days, you will become Python experts also. Okay, learning 35 words, what there inside. So this is what you people should aware. That's why number of words are very less. Okay, when compared with other languages, we can learn very easily Python. Next, when compared with other programming languages, we require to write very lesser code. Very lesser code. Believe me, sir, very less code we have to write in Python. Suppose I am going to use a program. Sir, this is my requirement. Assume that this is my requirement. In Java, if you are going to write 100 lines, okay, but in Python you may require to write maybe 10 to 20 lines. Have you observed? Maybe 10 to 20 lines. With that, automatically the same requirement we can write the program. So the biggest advantage of Python is very less code. I can use the word concise code. Remember this one, sir. Concise code. What is the meaning of concise code? Is very less code. We can do big activities with the very less code. That's why readability of the code is more. Remember carefully about this. Friends, everyone in the position to understand clearly, not required to keep any explanation about this one, sir. That's why, believe me, sir, believe me, Python is a very easy programming language. Readable device, number of lines, number of words, everything is a very, very easy. That's why very simple and easy to learn programming language. Hence, the first one, the first feature is clear for you people. It's like KG syllabus. Okay, from from my point of view, Utkarsha, I can't use the word it the KG, nursery or play, okay, play school standard. I won't feel, sometimes I get the feeling that this type of silly things I have to discuss in the class. Sometimes I may get such a type of feeling also. Being MTech, being 15-20 years of experience, discussing such a type of silly things, like sometimes I may feel. Okay, because that much easy. Believe me, sir, nothing is there. Just sit in the class, automatically I will take care everything. Clear for you people? Are you feeling any difficulty to understand the first line? Can I go to the second one? Can I go to the second one? Yeah. Okay, well, now the second one here is, sir, it is the freeware and open source. It's the freeware and open source. Sir, the biggest specialty, why the Python is the very popular these days? Why the Python is the very popular these days? One another reason is also it is the freeware. It is the freeware. While to use a Python, even for commercial purpose also you are not required to provide single paisa. Remember carefully, right? You are not required to purchase license. You are not required to provide. You are not required to pay single paisa. Okay, sir, Python Software Foundation. Okay, this organization is there. Python Software Foundation. Python Software Foundation. This organization is there, sir. Sir, python.org. 1 minute. Let me open. Okay, who is the vendor for Python? Python.org people are the vendor for the Python. Okay, now here just observe that Python, sir, Python Software Foundation. Okay, these people are responsible to maintain this Python newer versions and so on. Okay, sir, about okay, sponsorship, membership, like sir, donations. Have you observed, right? Donations. So once you got the job on Python, definitely highly recommended, better to pay at least some amount to this Python Software Foundation if your life is going to settle on Python. Believe me, sir. Okay, so definitely your life is going to be settled because everywhere Python only. Definitely, can you please contribute some amount so that new very good new features by default we can expect. Clear, right? Are you getting? Am I required to pay anything? Am I required to pay anything to use Python? No chance at all. We are not required to pay anything, which is nothing but freeware. Okay, like sir, if you consider Java, these days there are some people are there who are hardcore fans of Java. These days Java is not from Java 11 version onwards. From Java 11 version onwards, Java is not freeware. Remember this one, sir. Java is not freeware from Java 11 version onwards. Okay, it is the paid version. For education sake you can use, but for commercial sake you can't use. Remember carefully, right? That's why Java is going down these days. This is also one reason. It's no longer freeware. Okay, like clear, right? So why the Python is very popular to learn, to use, even for commercial purpose also. We are not required to pay single paisa, okay, to use Python, but other languages such type of support you can't expect. Best example, C#.NET, Java, compulsory we require to pay some amount. Okay, well, next that is what is the meaning of freeware. Okay, clear. What is this word? Can you please confirm what it means? What it means? Array, most of the people are always having, sir, freeware and open source, both the things are same. Both the things are same. No. What is the meaning of this one, sir? Sir, it is the very simple. Open source. open source, okay, something like open land, okay, something like open source. What is the meaning of open source? Ah, please confirm, don't be silent, man. Yeah, open source. So here, source code how the Python is developed, how the Python libraries are developed. Source code is open. Source code is open means any person can access the code. Okay, array how the Python is implemented, any person can access the code. Then if any person can access the code, what is the biggest benefit we are going to get is, I will take this Python open source, and based on my requirement I want to do some modifications. Okay, some modifications. Now this modified version happily I can use to fulfill my requirement. Remember this one carefully, right? Array, you are not required to use the Python as it is, which is provided by Python Software Foundation people. Array, better to get that Python. You can do the required modifications based on your requirement, then you can use a modified version. Okay, like now so Python, the original Python provided by Python Software Foundation. Now Durga Soft people modified this version. Durga Soft people modified this. Now I'm using the word, okay, it is dpython. Have you observed? It is dpython. Like now, array, you want Durga Soft customizer version of Python, which is the best for learning sake. Now can you please use dpython? Can you please download from Durga Soft website, like I can share? Have you observed, right? Are you in the position to understand? Okay, because of this n number of flavors are available. Okay, n number of flavors are available. This Python is customized to work with Java applications. Such type of Python is called Jython. Remember this one. So the Python which is customized to work with Java applications, Jython. Next, do you know, I want to use for data science applications, big data. Assume that for big data, then I can use the word anaconda. Okay, anaconda, like anaconda, miniconda, like we have. Next, I want to use with the .NET applications, right? Iron Python. Okay, what is that? Iron Python. Something like multiple flavors are available for our Python. Remember this one, sir. But Java, you want to see these many flavors, sir. But for Python, n number of flavors are available because it is the open source. Friends, are you in the position to understand? Suppose here you may aware Unix operating system is there, Windows is there, sir. Windows. Array, whatever Windows you are using, it is always from Microsoft only. Array, there is no flavors for Windows. Windows versions are available, but whatever Windows, it's always from Microsoft only. But for Unix, do you know n number of flavors are available? Red Hat Linux. Now Ubuntu, sir, like CentOS, like multiple things are available for the Unix or Linux. The reason for that is Unix or Linux is the open source. Unix or Linux is the open source. Any person can customize based on our requirement, but in the case of Windows, such type of customization not possible. If you want, you can use. Okay, but it's not possible. Remember carefully, right? Okay, Satish. Yeah, Satish is asking some small thing. Okay, now observe that. Now have a look once, sir. Suppose here, sir, does modified version means a change in characters or inbuilt functions according to us? Please provide real examples. Yes, best example for you. If you want to work with if you want to work with data science or machine learning applications, pandas must be required. Are you getting? Pandas must be required. NumPy must be required. NumPy must be required. Matplotlib must be required. Okay, like so. Do you know all these libraries by default? These things are required only for data science, machine learning applications. Then what I will go for? Anaconda I will go for. Okay, sir, Anaconda, something like Anaconda I will go for. So what it means is, array this person can suitable okay to for data science application, assume that, or otherwise big data application is there. Sir, for big data, if you want to handle huge amount of data, then happily we can go for Anaconda, because Anaconda has the corresponding libraries. Getting? Satish, are you in the position to understand? Okay, what is your requirement? Based on that, the corresponding version is available, the corresponding flavor is available. Happily we can use that. Okay, while learning whatever Python we are using, tomorrow if you are going to learn machine learning, I'm sure you are not going to use original Python, you are going to use machine learning specific Python flavor. Satish, can you please confirm, are you in the position to understand? Okay, yeah, this is what you people should aware. So that's why, so what is the meaning of freeware and open source? Open source is the customized based on your requirement. You can do any type of customization, no problem, right? You are not required to have as it is, you have to use, no such type of requirement. Okay, now the third one. Okay, up to this we covered what is the meaning of simple, easy to learn, next up freeware and open source. Third one, sir, high level programming language. This feature is a very important, sir. What is the meaning of high level programming language? Okay, remember carefully. Can I use the word, is it a programmer friendly language or not? Yes, human understandable form or not? Human understandable form or not? Yes. Can you please observe that it is a human understandable form? Such type of languages are by default considered as high level programming languages. So the first word, it is human understandable form. Human understandable form. This is the first one. Second one here is very important, sir. So being a programmer, we have to concentrate on our high level activities. So high level activities means our business code. Array, what is your business requirement? How to write the code? Okay, like we require to concentrate only on high level activities. Next, in which memory area this data should be stored. Low level activities like memory management, security management, these kind of things we are not required to worry. Everything is going to take care by Python virtual machine. Remember carefully, right? Low level activities, we are not required to responsible. Just a Python virtual machine itself is the responsible for these activities, right? Okay, remember a bit very carefully about this one. So like memory management, array, where the object is required to create. Suppose sufficient memory is not there, automatically useless objects can you please clear automatically useless objects, something like this type of activities. Who is going to take care, sir? Python virtual machine is going to take care. Being a programmer, we are not required to worry. So that's why programming will become very easy. Clear? Are you in the position to understand? Okay, something like suppose assume that I contacted some hotel. Array, I want to take one seminar. So I want to take one seminar in this village, in this town. I want to take a seminar. Can you please arrange? Can you please arrange? Okay, I required one seminar hall. Like I required a hall. Like I contacted one hotel person, right? Then immediately hotel person updated, sir, yes, we will take care to provide everything whatever you required about the seminar. then automatically two options are there. Okay, so being instructor, I have to concentrate only on, I require to concentrate only on my seminar content. Okay, my seminar content. Okay, like, so that's about my target. But so what about chairs, next what about projector, what about projector, next, and after that what about water facility for the people, next meals or food facility for the people who are attending the seminar. All these nonsense we are not required to take care. The hotel people are responsible to do the required arrangements. Okay, sir, we are responsible only for the content. Sir, this type of thing is a very easy, right? Respond. This type of thing is a very easy, right? Okay, so suppose I contacted some other. Okay, there is another venue I got, sir. What these people are doing is, okay, boss, do you require seminar? We are going to provide space. That's all. You require to arrange chairs. Okay, you require to arrange projector. You require to arrange, okay, food, water. You require to arrange food. Array all the things you are responsible to arrange. Then automatically when I have to concentrate on my content. Getting the point? So which one is the easy, which one is the good programming practice? Can you please confirm? Either first option is the good or second option is the good? Array, respond, don't be silent. Either first option is the good or second option is the good? Okay, the first one, yes or two na. Hey, Vardhan. So, if everything we require to take care means our concentration won't be on the content. Array, every main thing you have to take care, remaining things our team is going to take care. This type of thing is always highly recommended. Remember carefully, right? So, in Python, our concentration is always on business logic. What code we require to write? Remember carefully, right? Our concentration is always on business logic. Remember, low level activities like memory management, security, all these things are going to take care automatically by the Python virtual machine. We are not required to worry about that. Getting what is the meaning of high level programming language? You are not required to do low level activities. Low level activities, attenders are available so that your life will become very easy. Okay, that is the meaning of what is high level programming language. Someone is asking, sir, can you please explain what is the meaning of high level? Are you getting the point right? Understandable by the humans. Here understandable by the humans. Next, and after that low level activities we are not required to worry. Okay, like next, sir, this is the very important. Please take a bit special care. The people who are coming from Java background, they can understand very easily, but what about remaining people? Please take a bit very special care. What is the meaning of platform independent nature? Okay, platform independent. So is the Python is platform independent or not? Okay, it's a very easy, sir. Now listen carefully. Suppose I am the C developer. Okay, assume that I'm the C language, assume C language developer. I wrote one C program on my Windows machine. Okay, I wrote one C program on my for my Windows machine sake. Listen very carefully, sir. Okay, this is the C program. I wrote C program, sir, for Windows. C program for Windows. Now, is it going to run on Windows platform or not? Can you please confirm? Is it going to run on Windows platform or not? Yes, Windows platform, happily it is going to run because I wrote the program for Windows. That's why happily this program is going to execute on Windows platform, no problem at all. But tomorrow my friend asked, "Arey, your program is working too good. Can you please share me in the pen drive? Can you please share to me in the pen drive so that I will execute in my system?" Like, then immediately I asked, "Arey, what operating system you are using?" Then that person told, "I'm using Linux." So in is a mission, is there any guarantee is this program is going to work? Can you please confirm? Is there any guarantee? Is this program is going to work? No. Array, then immediately I have to tell the answer. Array, I wrote this program. I wrote this program for Windows platform sake. That's why it will work only on the Windows. Only on the Windows. It won't work on Linux like. Then immediately what I did is, okay, I have to write separate C program for the Linux. Okay, I require to write separate C program for Linux. Then another friend came. Array, I want this C program. Can you please execute? I want to execute this C program on my mission. Okay, then I shared. Then immediately he copied in his mission and is executing. Sorry, not executing, like he's not getting expected output or some abnormal behavior, right? Then immediately made a call. Array, your C program is not working on my mission. Okay, like. Then immediately asked, which operating system you are using? Then immediately that person is told, Array, I'm using Mac. I'm using Mac operating system. Oh, if it is the Mac, then the C program is not going to work. Mac platform, then the C program is not going to work. The C program, whatever I developed, only for Windows or Linux, not for Mac. For Mac compulsory, we require to write separate program. Okay, C program for Mac. Have you observed, right? Now, so for every platform, we require to write separate program. That's why we can use the word C is platform dependent or platform independent. Anyone, can you please tell? Platform dependent or platform independent? Anyone, please guide. So for every platform, you have to maintain, you have to write separate program. This type of thing is called platform dependent. Okay, C is the platform dependent. If you are using 4 platforms, compulsory 4 separate programs we require to maintain. Please take a bit very special care. That's why if you want to distribute your software, C never be recommended. C program always going to work related to that particular platform only. Clear, right? Are you feeling comfortable? What is the meaning of platform dependent? Can I go to the next one? Okay, well. Sir, how many platforms are there with me? Can you please confirm? Just now I showed. How many platforms are there with me, sir? Sir, one is Windows platform. Second one is the Linux platform. Third one is the Mac platform. Assume that. Sir, here I have, this is the Windows platform. Windows platform. Okay. Next, this is the Linux platform. Now, here just observe that it is a Linux platform. Next, this one is okay, Windows, Linux, and then Mac platform. Like 3 platforms are there with me, sir. Now I want to write a Python program. Now listen very carefully. Now I want to write a Python program, sir. Now here I am writing, sir, a beautiful Python program. I want to write. Okay, a Python program I wrote. Now my question is, this Python program can execute on the Windows platform or not? Is this Python program can be executed on the Linux platform or not? Or Mac platform or not? What is the answer? Please confirm, I forgot. What is the answer? So now take very special care. Whatever Python program we are writing, so it can run on any platform. For every platform, separate Python program we are not required to write. That is the beauty, sir. Now write once, run anywhere. Okay, here just observe that. What is that? Write once, run anywhere. This is vara. Okay, like this one itself is vara. Write once, run anywhere. This type of nature is by default considered platform independent nature. Is it platform dependent or independent? Hey, respond. Is it a platform dependent or platform independent? Platform independent, right? Now here just observe. Then immediately you may have the doubt, sir, Here this is the Python program. How this program can be understandable by Windows? How this Python program can be understandable by Linux? Or how it is going to be understandable by Mac? Here what logic, what is the secret internally is, on these Windows a separate mission we require to install. Okay, so on this here just observe that what is this one is PVM, PVM for Windows, PVM for Windows. Okay, remember this one, sir. Now this PVM for Windows, it will take this Python code and it will convert into Windows specific form. Now on the Windows machine it is going to be executed. Remember carefully, sir. Python virtual machine for Windows is the responsible to convert your Python program into Windows specific form or Windows understandable form. Clear, right? Similarly, I want to execute this program for the Linux. So there should be some translator is required to translate this Python program into Linux understandable form. Who is that person, right? Okay, here, sir, PVM for Linux. Okay, PVM for Linux. Now this person is going to take our Python program, translate, interpret into Linux understandable form and will be executed by Linux platform. Similarly, so what I want to take here is Mac. On the Mac, if you want to execute, compulsory a separate PVM must be required. Remember carefully, sir. PVM for Mac. Separate PVM must be required. Okay, like, yeah. Are you feeling comfortable? Okay, that's what you people should aware clearly, right? Now I have one small doubt, sir. How many platforms are there here? How many platforms are there? Only one platform. Oh, sorry, three platforms. Sir. How many Python programs are there? Only one. So write once, run anywhere. But how many Python virtual machines are there? How many Python virtual machines are there? 3 Python virtual machines. That's why. So for Windows, separate PVM is available. For Linux, separate PVM is available. For Mac, separate PVM is available. So at the time of installing Python software, you have to tell for which platform you require Python virtual machine. Are you getting right? Boss, I want Python for Windows. I want Python for Linux. I want Python for Mac. Like based on your platform, you have to download and you require to install the corresponding Python software. That's why Python program is the platform independent, but Python virtual machine or Python software is the platform dependent or independent. Can you please tell? Is it independent or dependent? Okay, Python is a platform independent. Python is a platform independent. Whereas Python virtual mission is which is nothing but what? PVM is a platform dependent. That's what you should aware. So write once, run anywhere. Is the concept of platform independent nature. This type of platform independent nature is not available. Okay, not available for the C language. It is available for Java. It is available for Java. It is available for Python. Like, feeling comfortable? Next, here our laymen, some people are there having the doubt. Sir, what is the Python virtual machine? In your computer, if you install Python software, automatically PVM is going to come. PVM is the part of Python software. Okay, we are not required to install PVM separately. Installing Python software in your computer itself is nothing but PVM installation. Okay, in the python.org, okay, this is python.org. Here you can see downloads. Can you please have a look once? Or do you required for Windows? You required for Windows, or you required for Mac? You required for Windows, or you required for Mac? You required for other platforms, like at the beginning only it is asking. Okay, so you have to install, view full list of downloads, other platforms, something like view full list platform. Okay, Python for AIX, Python for IBM I, okay, AS400 sir, AS400, Python for iOS, wow, wonderful, Python for ZOS, RISC OS, Python for Solaris, Python for VMS, HP UX, alternate Python package for Linux, something like. So for which platform you require, based on that we have to install. Yeah, any doubt about this diagram? Can you please confirm? Sir, does it mean program written in Python, it will run on any hardware like mainframe, desktop or mobile devices, etc. Means on any device it's going to run. But the problem is, make sure that platform should contain Python software. Okay, COBOL is one language, Python is another language. Okay, COBOL is not platform. Polagam Surender. Okay, it's not platform. Like, so it's a very important, sir. Please take a bit very special care. Sometimes in the interview person is going to ask, interview person may ask, Arey, can you please explain platform independent nature of Python? So either Python is the platform independent or not. Yes, can you please explain, like maybe a chance. Okay, sir, now Shashank, I can see all messages. Okay, 1 minute small, because here a huge crowd is there. If I'm missing any message, don't worry at all. Just maybe whenever I'm getting some time, definitely I will answer your doubt. But still keep on triggering. So by giving some time, if I miss, because here huge crowd is there, that's why. Yeah, Amit. Yeah, I'm seeing your message. Thank you. Okay. So at last we will talk about these things. Don't worry. So clear for you people, right? Yeah. So what about C? What about C? And what about Python? Okay, like next here have a look once. C performance wise, C language is the ultimate, sir. Okay, up to today also, C language is the ultimate performance wise, because much conversions are not required. Remember these ones, are conversions are not required. But if you go for Java, if you go for Python, n number of conversions are required internally to execute. Correct, right? Okay, several conversions are required. Because of these conversions, performance is going to be down. Remember, but here performance wise it is the best, sir. Best C person, if he is telling about my C language is the best performance wise, being Python programmer or Java programmer, highly recommended to close your mouth. Don't open the mouth. Okay, if anywhere performance discussion is there, being Python programmer or being Java programmer, be silent. Otherwise they will give left and right, I'm sure. Okay, because performance wise our languages are not up to the mark. Okay, because these people are giving importance for platform independent, but this person is giving the importance for performance. That's why if you want to develop operating systems, I want to develop operating systems, operating system development, compulsory we require to go forward C only. No one is going to develop operating system by using Python. No one is going to develop operating system by using Java. Okay, remember, compulsory it should be developed by using C language only. Especially standalone applications related to a particular platform, embedded devices which are embedded for a particular device. Such type of things highly recommended to go for C language, but not for other languages. But it is a web application. web application kind of thing. Compulsory we should go for, so that web application should be executed on multiple missions, maybe a chance. Okay, like a software product I want to develop, that product should be executed by any person on their local missions. Compulsory platform independent nature is required. For that, Java or Python we require to go for. Clear, right? Yeah, mod bow. Okay, clear, right? Any explanation is required? Up to this is the clear for you people, not required to keep much explanation about this. Okay, now can I go to the next level? Please confirm. Sir, up to this, why see the best performance wise? Because conversions are not required. Durga, conversions are not required. That's why. So performance wise, C language is the best. That's it. So clear up to this, these 4 points, right? Now the next one, portable. Okay, portable. Okay, like how the conversion is going to be happen internally, we are not required to worry. Okay, as of now, ignore. Just get the basic theoretical idea, because we are at very beginning. Okay, next word is the very important, sir. Portable. Python is portable. Java is portable. What is the meaning of what is the meaning of this portable? Have you ever heard about portability? Respond. Most of the people are always getting confusion. Array, platform independent and portability, both the things are same. Sorry, both the things are different. Of course, interrelated, but context is the different. Portability. Okay, it is the somewhere you may heard mobile number portability. Mobile number portability. You may heard about this one. Okay, mobile number portability. Okay, like these days government are thinking bank account number portability. Bank account number portability. But anyway, this one is not specified. Bank account number portability, no. Mobile number portability is already implemented, sir. But how extent it is going to be possible, I don't know. But anyway, like, sir, this is already implemented. What is the meaning of this one, sir? Very simple. Very simple, sir. So, I am using my number with the Airtel or Idea network. Idea now gone, I hope. Okay, VI, right? Idea network I'm using, sir. Assume that. Now, so I'm feeling that the signal service is not up to the mark. Can I change a service provider from Idea to Airtel without changing my mobile number? Yes, friends. Without changing my mobile number, is it possible to change or not? Yes. Anyone? SIM portable, mobile number portability is already there. You can migrate from Idea network to Airtel network without changing your mobile number. Okay, it's possible, right? You are not required to change mobile number. It's possible to change. Now my question is, sir, this is what mobile number portability. Mobile number portability, right? Portability. Okay, well, excellent. Now my question is, listen carefully, right? Suppose assume that I have one Python program which is running on Windows. Python program running on Windows platform. Windows platform. Now, so there is a big problem I face with the Windows, because license must be required. Are you getting license? License must be required. Okay, like so what I did is I want to migrate this Python program to the Linux platform. I want to migrate this Python program to the Linux platform without performing any changes. Array, the same program can work on the Linux platform, and is it going to provide the same result or not? Yes? Can you please confirm? Is it possible or not? Okay, is it possible to migrate our programs from one platform to another platform without changing the results? Is it possible or not? Yes, because Python is the platform independent, anywhere it is going to run, no problem, right? Whatever output you got, here also the same output by default you are going to get. So migrating from one platform to another platform is very easy, which is nothing but portability. Okay, migrating from one platform to another platform, migrating from one platform to another platform is very easy, very easy. What is the background reason for that? Is platform independent nature only. Remember carefully, right? Platform independent nature only. Okay, take a bit special care. So what is the platform independent nature? What is the meaning of portable? Please take a bit special care. Sir, write once, run anywhere. If you are writing Python program, on any machine you can execute. This behavior is by default considered as platform independent nature. But portable means already you have Python program already running on one platform. So tomorrow, because of some reason, I want to migrate from one platform to another platform. Is it required to perform any code changes? Okay, for that, no. Without performing any changes, happily your Python program can run on new platform. The process of migrating from one platform to another platform is called Python program portability. Clear, right? Are you seeing the difference, Gangaras? Of course, background reason why portability is happening, why the portability is allowed. Internal reason is platform independent nature is there. So internally, because of platform independent nature, portability concept came in the picture. That's why you may not see much difference, but think a bit logically. So write once, run anywhere is the concept of platform independent nature. Okay, portability means from one platform to another platform, you can migrate very easily without performing any changes. This type of nature is called portable. Clear, right? Are you getting the point? Yeah. Satish. Yes. So think a bit carefully. Why the portability came? Because internal reason for that is platform independent nature is there. Next, dynamically typed. Dynamically typed programming language. Very important, sir. Please take a bit special care. We covered already this one. We covered, right? Dynamically typed programming language. What it means, sir? The name itself indicates. Anyone, can you please tell? Sir, this is the most dangerous, very important point for you people. What is the meaning of dynamically typed? Yes, dynamically typed. Okay, what it means is, suppose I am taking a Java program. Assume that, sir. Sir, I am taking x is equal to 10. Can you please print x value? Huh. Listen carefully. Can you please print x value? Is it going to run? Is it going to, can I compile and can I execute this code? The people who are coming from Java background, can you please respond? Is it going to run or not? Okay, if I execute this code, okay, test.java, I save this code, sir, test.java. Is it going to compile? Immediately compiler is going to give left and right. What is the reason for that is, hey Durga, you declared x. X is what type? X is the what type? You didn't specify the type. Without specifying the type, how I allowed every variable, for every variable compulsory you have to declare the type. Is it int type? Is it string type? Something like. Now let me compile this code. Okay, I want to compile this code in Java language. What happening, sir? Java C test.java. Observe carefully. Compiler is going to give left and right. Hey, cannot find symbol, variable x. Array, you are using x. Where you define? You didn't define. That's why error by default you are going to get. So, in Java, in Java, C language, C++, C sharp.net, okay, etc. C sharp.net, etc. Compulsory. We have to declare the type explicitly. Okay, compulsory. We require to declare the type explicitly. Otherwise, so we will get the error, sir. At the beginning only, we have to declare the type. Okay, such type of programming languages are called statically typed programming languages. Are you getting right? Such type of programming languages are statically typed programming languages. What is the meaning of statically typed? Hey, type. You should declare at the beginning only. Remember carefully, right? So type is the very important, sir. You have to declare at the beginning only. Such type of thing is called statically typed. Sir, now if I use int, array, x is what type? Int type. What is the type? Int type. Can you please confirm? Is it going to accept or not? Please confirm. Is it valid or not? In Java, the people who are coming from Java background, yes, it is valid because you declared the type explicitly. Abjan, we are not getting any error. If I execute this program also, happily the output 10 is going to come. Array, it is a valid. But in Python, now observe, x is equal to 10. X is equal to 10. Sir, print x. Is it valid in Python? Can you please confirm? Is it valid in Python? Is it valid or invalid? Okay, take very special care. This one is 100% pakka valid. Even though you didn't declare the type explicitly, still it is a valid. Okay, now py test.py 10 is the answer by default you are going to get. Itself is the valid, sir. Py test.py 10 itself is the valid. Now the important conclusion, what you people should aware, in Python, we are not required to declare the type explicitly. Okay, like, so now the reason for that is, okay, two options I'm going to provide. Please listen carefully. Why this code is valid? The reason is, reason number one, reason number two. First reason, types are not available in Python. Okay. So types are available, but we are not required to declare. Yeah, among these two things, which is the correct statement? First one or second one? Types are available, but we are not required to declare. Excellent. Please take very special care. Types are available, but we are not required to declare explicitly. Based on your provided value, the type will be considered automatically. Such type of thing is by default considered as dynamically typed programming language. Remember carefully, sir. Based on your provided value, the type will be considered automatically. We are not required to declare the type explicitly. Such type of thing is by default considered as, okay, such type of thing is by default considered as dynamically typed programming language. Okay, like, now I have one small doubt, sir. If really type is there, what is the type of this 10? What is the type of this 10? Anyone, can you please tell? If real type concept is there, what is the type of this one? If you want to know, let me print type of x. Hey, please print type of x. Type is inbuilt function available in Python. Don't worry, I will discuss in detail slowly. Type of x. Now, what is the answer we are getting, sir? Int type. Types concept available in Python, but we are not required to declare explicitly. Such type of concept is by default considered as dynamically typed programming language. Okay, based on our provided value, automatically the type will be considered. automatically the type will be considered, such type of language is by default considered as dynamically typed programming language. Dynamically typed programming language. Clear, right? Integer is not a class, Naveen. Int is the class. Int itself is the class. Who automatically consider the type based on our provided value by us? Python virtual machine. Here only one assistant is available. That assistant is the PVM, Amit. Getting right? What is int? Int is one type. Numbers. Numbers, if you want to represent, that thing is by default considered as number like. Is it similar to JavaScript? Excellent. In the JavaScript also same. Okay. In the JavaScript also we are not required to provide the type. Automatically the type will be considered. Next, Scala, I hope. Scala is also dynamically typed programming language. Okay. Now I have one small doubt. Okay. I have one small important point here. Sir, is it possible to declare the type explicitly? Yes, in Python it is also possible. In Python, if you want, you can declare the type explicitly. It is also possible, sir. Okay, like next up, one more flexibility I want to take. Sir, x is equal to 10 I am taking. X is equal to 10.5 I am trying to take. Can you please tell, is it valid or invalid? Respond. Is it valid or invalid? Invalid. Invalid. Compiler will give left and right. Hey, you declare x as int type. X is always going to hold int value only, but you are taking double. 10.5 means double. How you can take double? Like how you can assign double? Like immediately compile time error, inconvertible types or something. Sorry, inconvertible type something like we are going to get incompatible types, possible lossy conversion from double to int. So once we declare a variable with some type, throughout its life the type is always fixed. Remember, it's always x is always int type only. So tomorrow I want to become boolean. Sorry man, your type is already decided at the beginning. Your life is like with int only. Remember, right? But in Python, more flexibility by default we are going to get. Now, can you please tell what is the type of x? What is the type of x? X is int type. Sir, in the next line, I am taking x is equal to 10.5. X is equal to 10.5. Now, what is the type of x? Now onwards, x is float type. Now onwards, x is float type. Of course, types I will explain. Don't worry, son. So x is float type. Type is not fixed. Now, sorry. Type is not fixed. Now observe. At the beginning, it is the int type. Now onwards, it is the float type. Now tomorrow, I want to take x is equal to true. I am taking, sir. X is equal to true. Now onwards, it is the boolean type. Now onwards, it is a boolean type, like it is a bool type, like, yeah, how beautiful, more flexibility. The life of your variable is not fixed, the type of your variable is not fixed. At any point of time, you can change its value. Such type of beautiful flexibility by default we are going to get because of dynamic nature, dynamically typed programming language behavior, right? Yes, friends, are you in the position to understand what is the meaning of dynamically typed? In Python, we are not required to declare the type explicitly. Based on our provided value, the type will be considered automatically. This type of thing is by default considered dynamically typed programming language. Next, someone is asking, so can we restrict a variable to a specific type or not? Why not? That flexibility also there in Python. Remember carefully, right? Such a type of thing is also possible in Python. But how you can do, that part I will take care. Why you have to disturb your mind with everything at the beginning only? Slowly, one by one, we will discuss. Getting right? Okay, but I am telling right, believe me, it is possible. That concept we are going to cover. Okay, you are with the expert faculty only. You are not required to worry. Everything I can cover, including 3.9 version new features also. Until 3.9 new features also, I can tell, boss, this feature came in the 3.9, in the 3.8 this is modified, something like. Have you observed, right? In the python.org current version, in the python.org, python 3.9.1, whatever new features are there, by default we had. So Python both statically typed and dynamically typed, no, we can use the word it is dynamically typed by default. If you want, you can declare the type explicitly. So show 1. Getting right? Yeah. Okay, that's all. So these are the 6 things you have to aware. In the remaining next video, we will talk about remaining things, right? Of course, these things are very easy. Nothing will be there. Just these are some important things, whatever we covered. Okay, clear for you people, right? Next, the new members especially, you should aware, sir, running notes will be shared. Running notes will be shared for you people, right? Whatever I am typing, so the same file as it is we are going to share. Next, and after that, study materials we are going to provide. Don't worry at all, sir. PDF files you can get study material. You will get PDF files for every topic. Next, and after that, previous batch videos and the current batch videos, both you will get. Current batch videos both we will get. There are some people, I want to complete as early as possible. Previous batch videos are there. We are going to share these things. Next, and after that, course completion certificate you can expect from us. Course completion certificate you can expect from us. Okay, that's all. These are things you can, don't worry at all. Next, to learn Python, nothing is required. Just English how to read, that thing is enough. Okay, believe me, sir. That's all. Previous batch means 2020. Yeah, 2020. Karthik. 2020. Don't worry. Very recently, just one batch I completed that batch. Yes, you can use. Yeah. Okay, that's all. In the next session, we will meet, sir, for the remaining cinema. Yeah, how many months the course is going to take? Sir, around 3 months. Shashank, around 3 months. The duration of this course is around 3 months. Okay. Course completion certificate after completing the course. Shiva, you won't get at the beginning. Once you completed the course, then how many months? Around 3 months. Maybe sometimes, maybe extended also based on your requirement. Connecting database with the Python we are going to cover. Yes, PDBC concept. 3 databases we are going to discuss. One is Oracle, MySQL, and then MongoDB also. Advanced Python you are going to discuss. Don't worry. Okay, we will talk about that. Next, yeah. Sir, I just want to say thank you. I got a job by watching. Wow, excellent. Okay. Who is Amrut Agarwal? Thank you. Okay, small thank you message. Okay, I got a job while watching your 200 plus core Java videos on YouTube. Thank you very much, sir. I want to say thank you directly. Okay, yeah, thank you, Amrut Agarwal. Okay, but your hard work is also there, because covering 200 plus videos, okay, just by seeing in front of YouTube is not that much easy. Okay, anyway, so appreciating your efforts, and you are utilizing that thing. Okay, really friends, there are n number of people, okay, are happy with these Java videos. I can hear Java by Durga sir. Oh, it's already there. Java by Durga sir. Okay, like 203 videos. 203 videos. Yeah, can you please have a look once? Anyone reading these numbers? Yeah, 24 lakhs 86 views, which was published in 2015. Okay, 203 videos. Okay, remember how many likes are there? 12k, 12,000. 429 these likes are there. What the reason is, in this session also one student, mod bow, sir, your English is the worst. Yeah, obviously, because I'm not foreigner. Okay, I'm coming from very rural village background. Okay, completed my everything is government schools and so on. That's why. So my English is not up to the mark. Okay, if any person is coming just for my English sake, I'm not at all suitable for you people. Okay, my English is just layman, village English I'm using, where any person can understand. If I'm talking in English also, do you know something like the people are going to feel I'm talking Telugu or otherwise Tamil, like some people may feel. Yeah. Okay, I'm not. So, if you people are coming for my English sake, don't. I'm the worst person in that area. Okay, someone I saw in the comment section in today also. Yeah, good. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, don't worry. Trust me when I state you the R.D. Sharma. Oh, I really mean it. What it means, I don't know. Sir, you are leading so many lives in this world. Your core Java sessions were wonderful. Just have a look once on the comments. Good. Yeah, anyway, just for the example sake, I'm telling. Yeah. Okay, good. But anyway, believe me, sir, I will work like anything related to the programming, definitely. So just forget about my English. Definitely, you people are going to learn good, excellent concepts. Okay, you are not required to worry at all. I'm sure I will settle your life on the Python. Believe me, so I can use the word in Python area. I'm the king. That word you have to tell. Okay. Okay. R.D. Sharma is the best author in the maths. Oh. Okay. Yeah, PDF files are there. Maybe here may not be available with me. Python material. Yeah, here I have a look once. It's already there in here. Core Python material is there. Of course, topic wise materials are there. Just I'm sharing all these things. Just I only prepared, sir. Okay, have a look once. Core Python material. Okay, Core Python. How many pages are there? 208 pages are there, sir. Assume 208 pages. Language fundamentals. Introduction. Yeah, today whatever I cover, I want to show for you people so that you people can feel more comfortable. Okay, today what I covered, sir, features of Python. So simple and easy to learn. Okay, simple and easy to learn. Python here, just observe, for every topic you can expect study material in the PDF form, including running notes. Here just today I covered features of Python. So simple and easy to learn. Python is a simple programming language. When we read a Python program, we can feel like reading English statements. The syntax is very simple. Only 30 plus keywords are available. Okay, like, do you know, freeware and open source, high level programming language. Okay, platform independent. What is the meaning of portability? Okay, like each and everything, because here it's not copied from Google or something like everything is typed, okay, by myself only. If any spelling mistake is there, that's the mistake what I did. Okay, don't worry at all. Each and every topic PDF files are available. Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah, Shashank, for those people luckily I shared, but yeah, okay, all these things we are going to share. You are not required to worry at all, sir. Yeah, please, you can expect study materials also like this for every topic. Python, Django and REST API, does experience also considered while getting the job? Yes. Abhishek, if you are going to complete Python, Django and REST API, you can claim minimum 3 years of experience. 3 years. Okay. After completing Python course, which course you have to join? You require to join either data science or Django. That depends on your requirement. Okay, Sir, please tell me this session is live or recorded. Gupta, this session is live. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Right, sir. Thanks. Tomorrow, yeah, Selenium also you can learn after completing the Python. If you want to go for testing side, okay, automation test engineer. If you want to become, then you can do like, okay. Just do you know this is the mail ID Durga Soft Online Training @gmail.com. Next and after that 8885252627 or okay here 9246212143. This is the contact information. The people who want to register, happily you can contact these people. They are going to take care. Okay. Yeah. Next another 2 or 3 days you people are going to expect a complete material and a complete previous batch videos and current batch videos also. Meanwhile, in the from the YouTube you can see these things, right? Okay. Yeah. Clear, right? This is the regular session only. It is the regular session only. Okay, it is not a demo session, so don't worry. So tomorrow continuation of this one. Day after tomorrow continuation of this one will be there. Yeah. Okay. Clear, right? Yeah, yeah. Amrut, congratulations. Yeah. What is the fee? So fee related, please communicate with these people. Okay. Yeah, yeah. Please communicate with our admin team related to the fee. So during each live session at the end, explain one coding question related to interview. Yeah, Satvika, you almost do you know you are going to get hundreds of coding interview questions. Don't worry. Okay, you are going to get several questions. Don't worry at all, because based on that topic we have to talk. Okay, seems to be everyday one, but at last you are going to get all the things as a part of the course. There are some sessions, complete 2 hours, 3 hours sessions. 2 days or 3 days we have to talk about coding entry questions only. Okay. OOPS concept is going to be covered as a part of this course. Please update your offline Python videos. Utkarsh, where offline Python videos का मतलब किधर? durgasoftonline.com. Yeah. Just very soon we are going to we will make, because very recently one batch going on, we will make those videos available. Okay. The classes are from Monday to Saturday. Okay, very rare Sunday I will take the session, very rare, but Monday to Saturday the sessions are there, not Monday to Friday. Yeah. Materials, PDF materials downloadable lifetime will be available, but videos are 6 months accessible. Okay. Yeah. 2018 as a fresher, don't think Sucharita, highly recommended, better to go for experience. Okay. Climbing experience is highly recommended. Even you are going to get the job as a fresher, not recommended. Okay, like in this batch, new batch videos only we are going to share with you people, don't worry. Okay. Yeah. Right, sir. Sir, still having any doubt, okay, please contact me on this mail, durgasoftonline@gmail.com. Okay, this is this mail I can access. Okay, like, yeah. Yeah, Satish, you can expect, if the fresher openings are there, then there is a possibility to get placement. Full stack web developer JavaScript is not required. Karthik, Django framework is going to do several things. Okay, right, sir. Thanks. How to access the videos I will take care. So in one session I will show, don't worry, once we give the access. Okay. Yeah. not required, Karthik. Okay, right, sir. Yes, yes, Sushovan, you can refer, no problem. Yeah, Django sessions you can expect very soon. R language I want to teach Shashank as of now. Okay, right, sir. Thanks. Tomorrow we will meet for the continuation. Okay, enjoy, enjoy for the day. Yes, yes, Amrut. Just wait for few days. Python front end is not required, Sainath. You can ignore. Yeah, the part of Django I will cover. So HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, and a Bootstrap. Those things are enough. Okay, if you want, you can learn either Angular or React. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Yeah, friends. So the fee details, anything if you require, can you please contact these numbers? Okay, the people who required here, can you please contact these people? Sorry. No. This is India number, Durga Soft Online @gmail.com. Okay, like you can continue, you can contact. Okay, right, sir. Thanks. So tomorrow we'll meet for the continuation. Please stay on this YouTube live.